Hello everyone, this is Moshe the Electric Israeli, and today's video is about the staggering sales of Tesla Model 3 and Teslas in general, but with respect to all cars. Now we all know that 60% of electric and plug-in hybrid cars that are sold in America are made by Teslas. More than 55%, almost 60%. But that's great. I mean, of course, they make it, of course, the absolute, everybody understands that. But let me give you some numbers that shows you where is Tesla with respect to all cars, gasoline cars. So just for you to know, FYI, for you to know the following, that there are 8.5 million cars sold in America in 2018. Okay, 3.7% of all cars are EVs. So that's still a piddly number, a small number, so to speak. Okay, so in November, let's just take the month of November, Tesla Model 3 sold 18,650 Teslas, Tesla Model 3, which is 19th place in all car sales of the month of November in the United States. Just for you to know, the number one is the Ford F-Series. The Ford F-Series, which sold 72,102 cars. So that's the discrepancy is really wide. But it's still in the top 20. In the top 20, better than many other cars behind it. Okay? So the top 7 most sold cars in the United States are trucks and small SUVs like the RAV4, the Ram, Silverado, and all that. So, to make the point of electric, what would electric trucks and electric SUVs will do when Tesla make them and bring them into sale? It will be staggering. I'm telling you, it will be staggering. Now, that's just the Tesla Model 3. What about the brand Tesla? Model 3, Model S, Model X. They came in number 17th in overall sales, and they sold 24,600 in the month of November. Number one again is Ford with 186,048. So yes, still the margin is huge, but to think that in less than 2 years since Tesla start producing in mass the Model 3, to get into the top 20, is just mind-boggling. I am telling you, it's mind-boggling. It's unbelievable. So just goes to show what is the potential of selling good, great electric cars and later on trucks and SUVs. Let me know what you think, guys. Meantime, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Help me change the world one electric car at a time. And I'll see you tomorrow with another episode.